Hey everybody, I named my channel Home 301 because I live at 301 Anywhere Street, USA. I wrote down a bunch of little projects that I could do quickly, and let's see which one is in the grab bag today. Then drum roll, repaint the blue skull candlesticks. This is something that needs to get done. I never was happy with the way they turned out, and today is the day I'm going to reboot them. Oh yes, there are two of them. Pretty hefty too. Get one last good look at them because they are going to be forever different. Every time I am going to do a messy paint project, I pull out my messy paint cutting mat and we have to get some paint. Oh, I think I'm gonna paint them black. Surprise, surprise. Oh, and I have some of this gold. Gotta get some paintbrushes. I had to use some skulls that I make out of air dry clay, and then I glued them onto this old candlestick. I also glued on some lace. That's what these leaf looking things are, these leaves. They're just lace that I glued on there. And then the wing parts also are from a mold, and it's just clay. So mostly I attack it at the green because that's the part I really didn't like. I didn't mind the blue part so much, but the green part just didn't do it for me. And they sat there in my window mocking me for months now. So I'm just gonna get rid of the green. I'm pretty sure I mentioned to you guys that I'm not really good at painting. So even though I'm trying to be careful right at first, of course I'm gonna wind up just glopping it on because that's the only way I know how. For crying out loud. Meanwhile, let's try and do like just a little. So my heart was in the right place. I wanted to do just a little and let some of the colors shine up from beneath, but it just didn't work out that way. Even when I tried to scrape it off with this spongy thing, didn't really. That's some fast drying paint, and so I'm just kind of going with the flow, grooving to the tunes. I like to talk about music on my podcast called Child of the 70s. Some of my favorite music was from the 70s. You just can't beat it. It's classic. Look at that going along. It looks pretty good, actually. I still don't like the green though. Maybe if I had done all blue or all green. I think I just couldn't decide and I wound up kind of experimenting with both colors. But I don't think I'll do that again. Now it's time to put some real good zhuzhi on there. And again, I tried to start light and lightly brush it on. But I can never pull that off. Here we go. Attack it. Attack it with all you got. That's all you can do. I really like how those leaves turned out right away. I hope I don't ruin them. I swear this is probably my favorite part of this whole project so far. Getting to bring out all of those gold tones. And it actually, in the end, it looks kind of bronzy, kind of coppery. Maybe because of those stinking green undertones. What do you think? And voila. Got one down almost. This one is going along even faster than the first one because I didn't decide to try to be careful at all. If it was the beginning of the project, I might have tried a little harder, but maybe because it's a repaint, I'm just kind of slopping it on. But I really like how they're turning out. I think I have saved them. Well, they've turned out pretty good. They look really nice underneath my magic mirror and sandwiched between my wall sconces that I made from books. Let's get a little bit of a closer look. It looks pretty good, I think. It looks better than it did, for sure. And don't forget to look at my video that I made with AI. It's in the shorts. Well, and finally, everybody hates the cleanup, but it is a necessary evil. I'm telling you, you need to do it. I do it all the time. I clean everything up. I've had these paintbrushes for so long. And so long